Hey y'all, welcome back to another declutter. I stopped wearing nail polishes, to be honest. I forgot that I still have non-cruelty-free brands in my nail polish collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter some of these just because Shane's mom is gonna be here tomorrow. I'm not sure when this video will be up, but she's a huge nail polish junkie and I'm hoping that she will take some of these back home with her or share them with her friends or something like that. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that way you get notified when I upload. Let's just go ahead and get started. I do want to touch real quickly on these In-Press one-step gel press-on manicures. I won these in a giveaway a while back. I'm just not a fan of the removal process. Like, it's almost kind of painful because you have to peel them off very gently and it kind of hurts the nail beds. I'm gonna go ahead and just let her take these and hopefully she can try them and see if she likes them or pass them on to some friends. I'm not sure. I would put them in a giveaway, but I honestly don't feel comfortable putting things that I don't like in a giveaway. Now these I do adore so much. They're the kind that you glue on. I wore a set for the first time last month and they lasted me like maybe 3 weeks, and then that's whenever I switched to my Valentine's themed ones of the press-on ones. Obviously see that I took them off. Today is February 15th. I took them off just because I didn't like the press-on ones and my hair would like get stuck underneath and I don't know. They weren't a secure. The sticky part on the press-on nails wasn't very secure, and so I would get hair strands caught underneath and around the nails, so it was painful. But I love these. The glue is just so good and it holds so well. I definitely recommend the glue-on type of these Kiss nails. These two are from Sephora collection. I got these a while back when they were on sale. I think they were like $2 or something. I'm gonna go ahead and pass them on because Sephora brand is not cruelty-free. This is from OPI. This was gifted to me. I guess it's some type of top coat. This one is from Formula X. I think it was a Sephora favorites a while back, and then this one I got in a subscription box. It's from Ciate. It's the collaboration with Olivia Palermo. Getting rid of the OPI because it's not cruelty free. I'm gonna keep the Formula X. I love a classic red nail, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep the Ciate one. So these are all my Wet n Wild one-step wonder gels. I wash my hands multiple times a day and I'm very rough on my nails. They will crack and chip on me very easily just for that reason, but I've heard of people not having any issues with these close to like a week and a half, so these are pretty good. For me, I'm really rough on my hands and my nails, so they start chipping within like 7 days, maybe like the 5-day mark, they start chipping and cracking and stuff like that. I definitely recommend these. They're super affordable and I love the formula. Wet n Wild, I believe, is 3 free. I'm still trying to learn all that stuff, so I just want to let you guys know the status of these. I'm gonna keep this one, this pink one, and it's called It's Sherbet Day. Keeping this one that's called Power Outage. It's a black, and this one called Pretty Peas. It's like a minty green color. I'm gonna go ahead and give away this one. It's called Perry Wink Ol of an Eye. They're very punny and hard to pronounce, especially reading them upside down. So I'm gonna get rid of this one and keep these 3 right here. These are 2 more from the Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Last collection, and I like these because they're just classic nude shades. They're not like the gel ones, but they do last me, maybe start chipping on like the 3rd, 4th day because they're not that like gel type formula. I'm gonna assume they last a while on people who aren't as hard on their nails and hands as I am. I'm gonna keep both of these because I love the nude colors. These right here, I believe, are the rest of my non-cruelty free brands. I'm gonna include this one too. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free, but I'm gonna get rid of it because I wasn't paying attention when I was shopping at Ulta one time, and this is a LED cured nail polish, so it's not gonna work without that UV light or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and just toss this one in the trash. This is Essie, and then these 3 right here are Sally Hansen. It has amazing nail polishes. I'm just so sad that they are not cruelty free. This gold one is just amazing. It stays on so good and it dries so fast. And then this green one right here has like little tiny gold glitter flecks in it, and it's just so perfect and pretty for spring and summer. And then this color as well is very pretty for spring and summer. more, but it's Essie and it's not cruelty free. This is just the Sally Hansen double duty top coat and base coat that I loved using, and so I have to find a new top coat. This one was a pretty good one in my opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and pass all these along for their non-cruelty free status. I almost left this Wet n Wild one out. I think it's kind of like their cheapier, is that a word? Cheaper range of nail polish formulas. This one is the Wild Shine line. I don't even know if they still sell this one, but I think they're probably like the $1 ones or $1.99, or I'm not sure how much they are. It's okay because it's not gel, it's not long lasting or anything. It's just a regular nail polish, but I do like the color because green is one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna be keeping this one. These are from Essence Makeup. So I have a gel base coat, the Express Dry Drops that I absolutely love, super affordable, and then 2 of their gel nail polishes. These compete with the Wet n Wild gel nail polishes because they have an excellent formula. They will last long if you're not hard on your hands or nails. These do help dry the nail polish fairly quickly. Not super duper fast, but I still give my nails about 10 minutes after I apply this. And I kind of just like do this with my hands and my nails to kind of just air dry them a little bit more. I would use a blow dryer because I hear that kind of dulls the nail polish and takes away the shine and stuff. This is just a gel base coat. It makes the nail polish last also as well. So I'm going to keep all these 4 right here. I totally missed this one as a part of the non-cruelty free brand. This is from Maybelline. Obviously Maybelline's not cruelty free, so I'm going to pass this on. These are Formula X, and I got these because Sephora was pushing out their Formula X brand. I got a few of them that were left because all of them were basically picked out. This one is in the shade Power Source. Kind of too bright for me. I'm not a huge fan. I'm going to go ahead and pass this one on. This one is in the shade Daredevil, and it's one of those blue-green duochrome look. I used to like this a lot, but I'm not a fan of it anymore, so I'm going to pass this one on. This one is just a clear nail cleanser, and I'm going to keep that. This is a sheer strength nail color, and this one's in the shade Ardent. It's another nude. I like this one because it kind of has a little bit of glitter and a little bit of a pinky tone, pinky nude shade that I like. Definitely going to keep this one. These are boxed up. I haven't even used these 3 right here. This is from ColourPop, and it's one of their nail polishes. I added this one to my cart just to make it free shipping. I wand it that way. Look at the color. It's so pretty and iridescent. I love shades like this. I believe ColourPop is 7 free. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm definitely going to keep this one. This next one is from Ades New York. Ades is 5 free. It's like a light blue color, like a baby blue color. This one is called Surfer Girl. I'm going to go ahead and pass this one on because I'm not a huge fan of like pastel blue type colors. I don't know, it just doesn't go good with my skin tone because it's just too cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this one on. This one I got recently in an Ipsy box, and it's from Emma VSNP. I'm not sure what that stands for. It's a very cool toned, kind of has like a gray tone behind it. See, this is in the shade Mia is my BFF. This brand is 7 free. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this one on. I'd love to try it, but I'm just not a fan of the color. So this one is from the Ulta brand. This one is a limited edition nail polish in the shade Pearl Necklace. I'm like a sucker for iridescent nail polishes, and I believe Ulta brand, I think they're 9 free. I'm gonna keep this one because I love the shade. This one is from Aurora. It is their Gel Effect nail polish. This is in the shade Inky Oinky. Oh my goodness. And Aurora, I think it's 5 free. I'm gonna keep this one because it's really pretty and deep and like a purpley blue color. And this one right here, I haven't tested it out long enough to see if it actually works, but it's from LA Colors, and it's the Ultra Nail Hardener. It says it strengthens and hardens weak and thin nails. That's basically my nails right now. They're very weak and they break easily, and that's why I kind of keep them short now, or I either put on press press-on nails. My actual nails are just really weak. I'm going to be keeping this to try to just put on my nails. I need to keep this out on my vanity to remember to apply this maybe like once a week or once every 2 weeks. I basically cut my collection in half. There's 14 that I'm keeping here, and then there's 4 of the like base coats that I have here in the front that I'm not counting as nail polishes. So there's 14 nail polishes here and 14 here. I'm pretty satisfied with cutting it in half. I'm also storing my nail polishes in this cute little jug right here. I can't remember where I got it from. It could have been from Dollar Tree, from Five Below. I put my nail polishes in here, no particular order or color or brand, but I just fill up my little jug here, and I always make sure that I put all the like base coats and top coats and this little nail cleanser from Formula X. I leave all those type of things at the top so they're easily accessible. I also like that it's clear. That is it for this nail polish declutter. I'm so glad to get half of these gone and out of my way, as well as these Impress press-on nails here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.